Welcome back to Lightfunnels. Today we're excited to introduce a powerful new feature that lets you set different shipping rates for specific regions and cities. This gives you greater flexibility and precision when it comes to managing your shipping costs. So, let's get started from scratch by adding our shipping group. Let's name it and then set the zone name and countries. For this example, we're going to use Morocco. Now, let's add some base rates, name it, and set the shipping price. Now that we've created our shipping group, let's head to the advanced shipping regions. We'll select Morocco and click on the edit icon. Here, you get all the regions in Morocco, and inside the regions, there are the cities nested within. You can now set different rates for different regions, cities, and areas. You can set the extra shipping amount for a city from this input and save. You can also set the amount for a whole region from here. After that, you can save and head to your funnel or store, select the shipping group to link it to the product, and save. To use this feature, make sure you have the correct inputs for it to work properly. As you can see here, we don't have the inputs to select the region or city. Let's duplicate this element. We'll make one a shipping address state type and the other one a shipping address city type. After that, let's save and test our checkout. Let's select the region, then the city. As you see, the shipping rate has changed, and the extra amount we set for this city has been added to the total, and only for this city. Now, let's test the region. As you can see, it works fine. You can also add areas inside the cities and set different extra rates for them. This feature is very useful for managing your shipping costs.